Rich, are you in? Rich? What are you? Trevor, I'm out on a very important business meeting today. Please take care of the shop. P.S. Don't burn it down. Man, when have I ever burned down a shop? Well, there was that one time. Let's get to work. All right, task number one, I gotta dust off the CNC. Alrighty here. All right, next item, clean the welding cart. Check. Make sure all the 3D printers are still running. How are they gonna run? They don't even have legs. Next step, check the mail. Oh no, oh. Oh, cheap. Next step, take photos of everything in the shop for insurance purposes. That's a bit of a weird request, but I mean, if we're gonna do it good. All right, darling, let's get to work. Yes, beautiful. Sensual, you got this. Oh, come on, strike that. I can't work under these conditions.
See the bird with a leaf in her mouth. After the flood, all the colors came out. All the colors came out. All the colors came out. It was a beautiful